Hello, my name is Tom. Welcome to our introduction video of the advanced location finder called ALF. With this device you can determine the suitable position of a turntable ladder even before bringing the turntable ladder in position. I'll give you an overview of the device. Starting from the back, you can see a short operational manual. Power on the first position. Select the outrigger and rescue cage crew, targeting, the measuring, and mark the found position. Now we have a look at the front. You can find buttons with symbols. Long press on the green button powers the device on. With the left upper button you can select the outrigger, small, middle and large. With the right upper button you can select the rescue cage crew. With the red button you can trigger a measurement. Press and hold the red button for continuous measurement.